Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. External auditory canal or the EAC versus the ET, that is a Eustachian tube. So first, let's look at the EAC. So here the EAC is going to be 24 mm. So in terms of here, we are going to just look at the unit in mm. So total length is for 24 mm. The bony part is going to be, so it has a bony part as well as a cartilaginous part. So bony part will be maximum. So bony part will be 2/3 here, and the cartilage remaining will be 1/3. So what is 2/3 of 24? It is going to be 8. So 8 3s are 24. So what is 1/3? So 8. So this is actually the cartilaginous. So 1/3 is going to be cartilaginous, that is 8. And 2/3, that is double of 8, that is 16. 16 mm is going to be the bony type. And the bony is close to the middle ear. This is important. So this is close to the middle ear. So EAC is 24 mm and bony is 2/3 and cartilaginous is going to be 1/3 and bony is towards the middle ear. Next is the isthmus. So here the isthmus is the narrowest part and it is in the bony part. It is nothing but in the bony part. Now let's move on to the ET, that is a Eustachian tube. So what we need to know is the Eustachian tube is it is bigger in length. So if you look at Eustachian tube, this is a longer word, so it is easier to remember. Eustachian tube will always be bigger than the external auditory canal. So it's a single word and it is a long, it has so many letters. So this will be 36 mm. So the total length is going to be 36 mm, and here the bony and the cartilaginous is going to be inverse. So here the bony and then the cartilaginous part. So in terms of EAC, we saw the bony is 2/3, but here the Eustachian tube, it is going to be 1/3, and the cartilaginous is going to be 2/3. So the bony 1/3 is nothing but 12 mm. This is going to be 12 mm, and the cartilaginous here is going to be 24 mm. Now the isthmus, where is it present? So the isthmus, if you see, it will be present at the junction. So it is present nothing but at the junction. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.